Hey, what's going on everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com back again with another video. Today we're going to be talking about Ripple, as it seems like things are really heating up and it may actually begin to skyrocket pretty fast because it's been in a very long consolidation, and if we're able to get that breakout, which pretty much already happened, we should start to see it really go up a lot. I actually bought more Ripple personally this week, and if you haven't yet seen my previous Ripple analysis and price prediction for 2020, definitely check it out. You may have missed it. It's actually the first video in my crypto 2020 price predictions. I'll leave a link to the playlist in the description of this video. But basically everything that I said in this price prediction is coming true. So not that I'm changing anything that I made in this video. It's just kind of a part two and kind of updating on what's currently happening, what we're seeing with the breakout. If we go to the market cap here, we can see that the dominance for Bitcoin has actually been dropping, as I predicted in a lot of my crypto price predictions, especially the altcoins. So we can see that Bitcoin dominance is currently at 64.5%. That's about a 4 to 5% drop from where it was just about 2 weeks ago. And that means that money is flowing back into altcoins like Ripple. In fact, Ripple isn't the only altcoin that had a pretty big rise in the past 7 days. We've seen Ethereum move 16%, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, Tezos, Tron, Monero. A lot of altcoins have been moving higher, and Icon up a massive 107%. Ripple isn't the only one, but what I like with Ripple is the fact that the technical analysis behind it is really sound, and that's what we're going to be talking about here on the chart. Everything makes sense with what's happening with Ripple specifically. So first off, let me explain how I drew this downtrend line, because you may have not seen my previous price prediction video on it. The reason why I drew the downtrend line like this is because if we try to draw it from our peak over here, we're not really able to get a clear picture of the downtrend that was happening for literally over a year. And the reason why it's important to draw it like I did is because the way I drew it actually made sure that we hit all the resistance levels where we attempted to move higher but got pushed back down by the downtrend line. So that makes it a lot more accurate. And now we've seen a huge increase in buying volume in the last couple days. On top of that, obviously, we have an uptrend that's begun. I like the shape of this. It's confirmed on the RSI as well. So all our indicators are bullish. We actually moved above the 70 line on the RSI, which means we are in overbought position. But if you know anything about breakouts, this is normal, right? This is what you want to see for a breakout. This can actually lead to some very big moves being above the 70 line on the RSI. So, and things can stay overbought longer than you expect. Not to say that we might not have a pullback or anything, but basically, in this situation, this is a bullish signal. And if I zoom in just a bit more, you can clearly see that we've broken out of the downtrend line, and this was a big deal, right? This was not months, but years. I think all over a year of consolidation if we move back, right? I mean, it's been downtrending since January of 2018, basically. So literally 2 years of downtrending. Now we've finally gotten that breakout above this downtrend line, which hasn't happened before. We had a couple attempts, never actually managed to break above it. Like I said in my price prediction, as soon as we move above this 25-cent level, we're going to start to see things really kick back into action. I mean, the proof is in the pudding, right? It's already happening right now. We are literally breaking out and moving higher by the day. And this is just the beginning, right? We're at the very beginning of this. So this one, I wanted to make this update video. As usual, these aren't recommendations to buy or sell. Trade and invest at your own risk. I'm just sharing my personal opinion and telling you what I'm doing. And personally, I did buy more Ripple this week after it broke above 25 cents. That was my plan, is as soon as I saw it break above 25 cents, that was my buy signal. And that's exactly what happened. So it did, end up dropping to 17 cents not that long ago, but it bounced very nicely. That's exactly what I wanted to see. I didn't want to see it move below 15 cents. And now we got the confirmation of the move higher. Now the confirmation was any move above 25 cents that fully lasts. So we could, I'll pull out my brush tool here to show you kind of what could potentially happen. We could pull back and test that 25-cent level. I don't see us moving back below 25 cents. I think that if that happens, we're going to bounce higher and kind of move up in this little wedge over here up to our next resistance level, which is at 31 cents. And any move above 31 cents will absolutely pretty much guaranteed push us all the way up to 50 cents, which is a pretty big deal, right? Ripple is usually very range bound, meaning it stays around the same price for months at a time. And, more recently, it was kind of in that 20-cent area. We got that move above 25 cents. That was the first signal for the next move to 50 cents, I believe. And, one more little confirmation in between is that 30-cent level. Once that happens, it's going to be a very quick move up to 50 cents, I believe. I'm talking probably within a month, could be a bit less, could be a bit more, but basically around a month's time, we should get a spike to 50 cents. We may pull back a bit after that, but we'll be in a whole new ball game where we should be above 40 to 45 cents at that point. And what is my prediction for when this will happen? Well, if we look at it logically, and we might pull back a bit here, towards end of February, beginning of March, we should be able to move about 30 cents. And after that, count about a month's time, and we should get a spike sometime in that month time to 50 cents. So very bullish price action. Obviously, just to start, it could go higher later in 2020 or even in 2021. But right now, for the next 3 to 6 months, it's looking good with a move back to those higher levels, finally starting to climb back towards $1. And like I said, this is the very beginning, right? We put in our low, we're moving higher, we broke out of this downtrend line. It's a big deal, and that's why I'm always here to update you. I'm actually going to start making live streams where I cover both stocks and cryptos to give you very good live updates on what's happening in both financial markets, and you'll be able to, ask me which charts you want me to cover, what you want me to talk about. I think it'll be a great addition to the channel. Make sure to subscribe if you aren't already. Like I said, check out that price prediction playlist for cryptos in 2020, specifically Ripple if you want a little bit more details. And don't forget to check out my technical analysis master course. It's the best technical analysis out there, the ultimate guide. It's gotten great reviews. It's less than $20 and comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. You've literally got nothing to lose by giving this a try. Your satisfaction is guaranteed within 30 days, and it covers how to spot buying and selling opportunities, how to spot trends, how to read candlesticks, advanced trading indicators, absolutely everything you need to know. And you're not going to find a course as good as this, as cheap as this, for technical analysis. This is years of experience put into this course. And also, don't forget to follow me on Twitter for live crypto updates. I actually posted, that I thought that Ripple was, starting to move back up again. And, it's looking like it's the case. We'll see in the next couple weeks, but altcoins are looking good. We've seen that throughout the altcoin market, and Ripple is not an exception. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.